In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect YouTube to Facebook page in Zapier. By the end, you'll have the course setup that lets Zapier watch your YouTube activity and prepare a post for your Facebook page automatically. Start by opening Zapier and heading to the Home dashboard. From there, choose Create, then select Zaps. This opens the editor where you'll build an automated workflow made of two parts: a trigger that starts the process and an action that follows. In the trigger panel, click to select the event that starts your Zap. Use the search bar and type YouTube, then pick YouTube from the results. Zapier will now ask you what should count as the trigger. Choose the trigger event that matches your goal, such as a new video on your channel or another YouTube activity you track. This choice tells Zapier exactly when to kick things off. Next, connect your YouTube account. Sign in with the Google account that owns or manages the channel you want to use. Make sure you grant the requested permissions so Zapier can read your channel's data. If you manage multiple channels, double check you're linking the correct one to avoid surprises later. With the trigger set, move to the action side and click to select the event for your Zap to run. In the app search, type Facebook page and select Facebook pages. This is important because Zapier can only post to pages through this app, not to personal profiles. Choose the action event that fits how you want your content to appear. For example, you might prefer creating a page post with a link to your YouTube video, or you may choose a video-specific action if you plan to handle native uploads. Consider how you want viewers to engage on Facebook and pick accordingly. Your selection determines which fields you'll be able to customize next. Now connect your Facebook account, log in, and allow Zapier the permissions it requests so it can post on your behalf. If you manage more than one page, be sure to grant access to the correct one and confirm you have the necessary page roles to publish content. It's also a good idea to verify that any required business integrations or permissions are enabled in your Facebook settings. That's the essential setup. You've identified YouTube as the trigger, Facebook pages as the action, and connected both accounts so Zapier can bridge them. From here, you can fine-tune details and you'll be ready to automate sharing from YouTube to your Facebook page.